Friends, get ready for some cuteness. We're going to make a bee out of this terracotta pot. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I have this terracotta pot, got it from Michael's. It's about 6 inches at the widest part. And I'm going to paint, okay, so I did this paint at the top black. I'm using a chalkboard paint. I did kind of pivot the way I did this. So at first I did the black. I was going to just do freehand stripes. So I was going to do a stripe of black, then a stripe of yellow. And then I decided, you know what? Yellow can get covered. So we're going to now cover the entirety of the, the pot with yellow. And then we're just going to clean up the edge with the black. And then we're just going to make some stripes with the black. I'm using a makeup brush in Holy Toledo. It is so easy. No, I'm not concerned about it being perfect at all. Not at all. You know I can't do a straight line. Come on. But this brush makes it easier. And I get this brush. It's a Wet n Wild brush, and it's from Dollar Tree again. So there we go. So we do that. I just did 3 stripes. You can do as many as you want. It's fine. Perfect. Let it dry. Once it's dry, I have this little felt circle. I had it in my stash, but it was like the perfect size. It's a 3-inch circle. So what I'm going to do is do that, put it on where I would want the face to be, and then I'm using a piece of chalk to outline half a circle. Ta-da! Then we're going to fill in the circle with some more of that black paint. Easy peasy. Could I have used a smaller brush? Sure. But that would have required me to wash this one. And I'm too lazy. Come on. Then I used the same chalk to draw some antennae and 2 little oval circles for eyeballs. And then obviously you do that when it's dry. And then I'm using a Posca marker. Let me tell you, friends, if you have not been introduced to Posca markers, they are paint markers and they are life-changing. I love them. So I'm just defining the edge of this little bumblebee's face just because it's black. You know, so I just did a line, 2 dots, line, 2 dots. And then I'm doing some squiggles for the antenna. And then we're going to fill in the eyes with the Posca marker as well. And let's be clear, I went over and did it twice because I felt like it was just a little bit. Listen, I'm using an old Posca marker. So it's kind of trying to give, but yeah. So I went over it again just because I wanted it to be nice and bright. And look at how cute. Could you use a paintbrush? Absolutely. Could I? No. No, I would mess this up 6 ways from Sunday doing it that way. But with a Posca marker, makes everything better. And you can get Posca markers at probably any craft store, but I got mine at Michael's. And then I did 2 little dots with the end of a brush, black in the eyes. And then once it was all dry, let it dry really well. And now I'm going to cover it with some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Easy peasy. Then we take this solar light I got at Dollar Tree. You can get them at Walmart. They're dirt cheap. Put it together, and then we're just going to put it in the hole of our terracotta pot. And you can put it on your picnic table. And what? Now you've got a cute little light for your picnic, right? Come on. Yes, I did a ladybug. Stay tuned for that one, but look how cute it is. I know, calm down. But it's so cute. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.